Para que te confiesen algo, pero no lo subas, Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to do this viral trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you have to search for my account, which is Aline John YTT. And then from my page you have to go to 2022 sticker at highlights, and here you will have to tap until you find the desired sticker. So there we have it. Click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story for the video, I will show you from where you can get a YouTube tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story. Now you have to go to your uploads and choose a background photo for your story. I will go with this one. You can place your sticker where you want. You can add a photo with you if you like. So now we have to go to stickers from the top of the screen, and now you have to go to questions. And here you can type in whatever you like. I will just go with an emoji so people can say there something that I don't know. I will go with this one. Click done. Also, you can change the color of it, and you can place it where you want. And once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the add yours button, what can you do? Once again, on my Instagram page, you have to go to super viral at highlights, and here you'll find this first story. Not able to click on add yours button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here. And this is a YouTube tutorial which has only 2 to 3 minutes, I think, and it's super easy to follow. And also you can now become a member of our channel. If you like, you can join us because you will get super many perks. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video, and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.